Hi there, 8th graders. Mr. Kerr here. This will be our last update of your 8th grade year. So welcome. Just want to go over a couple of things here in final schedules and everything. So hopefully you're all caught up through week 16 as we go into week 17. This will be a little over a week actually. But two things that we're doing. First of all, a discussion board. Who do you remember the most? And then you'll also have a final exam. Now, what you're actually turning in will be the discussion boards. You'll be taking part in that, and then you will be doing that. But there is quite a bit other to do here. So go through the week, all of week 17 stuff very carefully. And then here is the study guide, what you actually need to study. Now, the discussion board is designed to complete Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday. So try and get it completed over Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday. The final exam will not open up. You can see it, but if you click on it, you can't actually get into it. You can't submit it. It won't open up until Thursday morning, actually very late Wednesday night, but hopefully you're in bed resting up in order to take it Thursday. Now, you will have only two attempts at the final exam, so I want you to study really hard. Go through the study guide. Make sure you go through each quiz, each weekly quiz. That's where the vast majority of questions will come from. And review over your discussion boards, what posts you did, and things like that. But anyways, go through the study guide, and that will help you. There are also 3 videos here that cover generally the time period we're talking about: Unit 3, the Civil War, and Unit 4, Reconstruction, Immigration, and Industrialization. The first video starts a little bit before our time period, and the last one goes a little bit beyond. But the 3 videos will help kind of give you an overview review. And if you go through that, what I would suggest you do is look over the study guide, go through the videos, and then go back through the study guides and make sure that you can answer, that you know what everything is in the study guide. And of course, complete this discussion. Who do you remember most? So week 17 will be this week. It's Monday the 13th, and everything, I will have everything eventually due on Friday, and then of course not just Sunday, but we'll extend out to next Monday the 20th, and then everything needs to be turned in. I'm setting the date on the 20th so you can get stuff done, and if you have any questions, and then all work is due on Tuesday the 21st. I think we have a noon, but that's just like if you need it. Trying to get everything completed, turned in by Monday the 20th. Okay, let me know if you have any questions. Those of you that do not have at least 70% in all of your classes, I'll see you on Wednesday on campus. Otherwise, have a great week. Thanks for being a part of the class, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.